Good afternoon, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So, friends, I have big news for you today. There is a new stimulus schedule for eligible Social Security, SSI, and SSDI recipients. President Biden has just confirmed that he will be taking executive action to address the rising cost of living across the United States. Friends, this is your latest fourth stimulus check news update. Please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And in a video later today, I will be announcing today's winner, so please listen for the keyword, friends, and also do stay tuned for that video.
More than 40% fewer families struggle to afford food, rent, utilities, car payments, student loans, and healthcare expenses. Small businesses and restaurants were getting killed. Now we're delivering loans and support they need to reopen and to stay open. Schools are struggling to reopen, so we made vaccinating teachers a priority. We delivered schools the much support they needed. State and local governments had to lay off tens of thousands of educators and first responders. Many are now back on the job thanks to the rescue plan. In fact, in May, state and local governments added 103,000 education jobs, returned them to work. These funds are continuing to get out this month to support state and local governments, which will help get more people back to work. Small and medium-sized businesses are now able to take advantage of a special...
So here is the big news from the Biden administration. U.S. Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg told CNN News President Joe Biden is working to fortify the economy amid steep inflation with efforts to shore up the supply chain and invest in the capacity of our economy to keep up with the demand. He also stated the president has made clear inflation his top economic priority, and he's laid out a very clear strategy for doing that. Friends, this is good news as inflation continues to reach record highs. Pete Buttigieg also said that the administration will continue to take the steps that are both on the price side and on the growth side to keep our economy strong. A new ABC News poll shows that the economy and inflation are on the top of minds for voters ahead of the 2022 midterm election. According to the poll, only 37% of Americans approve of Biden's handling of the economic recovery. The current inflation rate is at 8.3%. Pete Buttigieg also told CNN News that the president has proposed a number of things to help improve the economy that could be passed by Congress, including lowering the cost of insulin, childcare, and housing. These measures would make a big difference no matter what's happening macroeconomically. Buttigieg also argued we would make life easier for Americans who are facing these economic question marks. Gas prices, which are at record high after increasing for many months, are also a great concern. Heading into the summer travel season, the current nationwide average is about $4.90 per gallon. But 2 months ago, President Biden announced plans to release 1 million barrels of oil per day from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, saying at the time that he expected this to bring down gas prices. In early April, oil executives testified before Congress, disputing the argument that they are price gouging consumers. They claimed that the situation is complex and that, in the near term, increasing the supply of oil and natural gas could help. So, friends, what are your thoughts on this? And why do you think that gas prices haven't gone down? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hawaii Governor David Ige proposed sending a tax rebate to every Hawaii taxpayer. Taxpayers earning less than $100,000 per year would receive $300, and those earning more than $100,000 per year would receive $100. Dependents are also eligible for the rebate as well. The Hawaii legislature has approved the rebate, but details for distribution have not yet been released. Payments may begin processing in late August, And this is according to the State Department of Taxation. Also, Idaho Governor Brad Little has signed a bill that allocates $350 million for tax rebates to all Idaho residents. There are 2 criteria for eligibility, though. You must have been a full-time Idaho resident and filed 2020 and 2021 tax returns, or full-time Idaho residents and filed grocery credit refund returns. Each taxpayer will receive either $75 or 12% of your 2020 Idaho state taxes, whichever is greater. The rebate is also applicable to each individual taxpayer and each dependent. The Tax Commission will first issue rebates to taxpayers who received refunds via direct deposits, then send paper rebate checks. Also, friends, state residents can check the status of their rebates online. Just like the state of Idaho, the state of Indiana found itself with a healthy budget surplus at the end of 2021. Governor Eric Holcomb announced that Indiana taxpayers will receive a $125 one-time tax refund after they file their 2021 taxes. There is no income requirement. Residents must have filed a state tax return for the year 2020 by January 3rd, 2022, as well as a 2021 Indiana tax return by April 18th, 2022, to be eligible to receive this tax refund. Taxpayers who file jointly will receive a single deposit of $250. Friends, the keyword for this video is Lake Michigan. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Lake Michigan, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do verify that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, dear friends. So most taxpayers will receive their additional refund by direct deposit. So friends, if you have changed bank accounts or do not have direct deposit information on file, you will receive a paper check in late summer. Well, my magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today and watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Alicia Hunley. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have named you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Remember, everyone, I will be announcing another winner for today's giveaway in a video later today. So please do listen for the keywords and do stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.